Guys, welcome to Tech ERV. Guys, today I am going to unbox this Fire TV Stick 4K for you guys. So I have recently bought this Fire TV Stick 4K from Amazon, and guys, I would like to give you an honest review about this, how good it is, and let's start with the unboxing first. So guys, as I said, like I bought with Amazon. The price of actual this Fire TV is something around 6,000 rupees, which is 5,999, but due to some offers I got this product for 5,000 rupees, guys. And now I'm going to unbox this, and let's have a look, guys. So guys, over here on the front of the box, it shows it supports all of these apps. Usually the Android app supports. So we says over here Firefox, Netflix, Voot, Sony Live, Z5, Prime Video, Jio Cinema, Ghana, and also Sun Next and Eros Now. So guys, it is not that these apps actually you can download it from the store. I would like to inform you this is a 4K HDR, and over here there are the specifications and features which says also this remote which we are going to get in this Fire TV Stick, which supports Alexa, and this Fire TV Stick 4K supports for 4K. It's not only that you should have a 4K TV, but if you have an HD TV, even it can support, guys. But it's if you have a 4K TV, it's better to go. So these are the features, guys, which you can see on the screen, which says it has a high dynamic range, and a Dolby Vision autonomous, and the good thing about this, it has a quad-core processor in it, guys. So you don't have to face any kind of lag issues, because the Fire TV, the normal Fire TV stick which you are going to get in the market currently, I would like to tell you guys that it's way faster as compared like to that previous one. So this is more faster as per the previous older one. So also, guys, it supports 802.11 AC. It means, guys, like if you have 5 gigas of router, so definitely, guys, you can go ahead, which consumes less bandwidth, and guys, it will be good for you. So what does it include, guys? You can, as you can see, it says it has an Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, Alexa voice remote, which is second generation, and 2 AAA batteries. Also, guys, want to inform you about, like, it has a power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. So this is a good thing, like, guys, whoever don't have kind of HDMI, I mean, like the HDMI, every TV comes with HDMI, guys, but it is very difficult to plug into the HDMI, but this is an extender given to you guys. So let's open the box and have a look what comes inside, and these are the manual information given. You can just have a look. So guys, coming into the box, you'll be getting one more box inside, and I'm going to open it how it is. So guys, as you can see, I mean, in the box you'll be getting the charger which comes out. So this is the Amazon charger, and you can see, guys, about the watt, like its input is 100 to 240, which supports 0.2 ampere. So also, and about the output, it has 1 ampere, guys, and output is 5 watt. So we'll just keep this aside. Also, guys, these are the manual instructions given by a Fire Stick. I believe it kind of a warranty card as well will be given to you. So we will also keep this aside. How to use and every information will be there in this manual. And let's move for this, guys. And okay, so over here, one more thing, as I said, that the extender has been given to you guys. So this is the extender which Amazon Fire Stick 4K have been given to you. This is, as I said previously, guys, this HDMI extender is very useful if you are facing any kind of difficulty to plug in the device. This is the one which has a flexible wire cable, as you can see. So if you plugged into any TV, so you can plug in over here. You can see the HDMI input port has been given. You can plug in your Fire TV Stick inside this, and let's come out for this remote, guys. This is how the remote looks like. As per the previous Fire TV stick. Guys, I would like to tell you one option they have given in this 4K Fire TV, which is the power button. Guys, you don't have to worry about power button, guys. You can do it from this remote itself. Also, there is an Alexa button given to you over here. The mic has been given, and all the information, guys. I am going to do the one more video about this, and all the information is given on the screen, guys. You can see, you can have a look, guys. It has a back button, home button, also the options button for reverse, forward, then play, stop, and also, guys, you'll be having a volume button, which is the additional plus point in this Fire TV. And also you'll be getting a mute button. So this is how it looks, guys, and we'll also keep aside. One more thing I would like to inform you guys about. We'll come to the main thing which Amazon have given us, and this is the Fire TV stick which Amazon has given us. So this is how it looks, guys. You can just have a look, and this is how it looks. And over here you'll be getting the power connector where you can plug in your charger over here, and this is how it looks. It assembled in China, which says, and nothing special, guys. Only one input has been given, guys. It's power connected, and over here it's rotated HDMI, and guys, this is the HDMI pin which you have to plug in to this extender which they have given us. So, guys, if you're facing any kind of difficulties, guys, so it can be beneficial for you guys. So this is how I'm going to plug in. Here we go, guys, and you can connect this to your TV. So also, guys, what else inside the box so this is the cable which they have given us, and you can see, guys, this is the USB kind of thing. Yes, so it is a USB, guys. Here you can see, and I was saying you guys about this thing. It has a power cable, right? It has a power cable, and this is the power cable which I was talking about. You have to insert this power cable in this power port. So this is how, and this pin which I was talking about, like, guys, you can just connect this pin to the charger. Yeah, so this is how you can connect to this charger. And this was a quick overview about this, guys. So, guys, thank you for watching Tech ERV, guys. Kindly please subscribe, and I'm going to paste the next video for you guys. Guys, I'm going to show you how to do the installation process for your TV in the next video. So, guys, stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching Tech ERV. Have a lovely day, guys.